Hello Karnataka CET achievers, I hope you are doing good and finally the day has arrived on which all the fruits of your labor that you have done to qualify the KCET exam has come. Of course, it is the day on which option entry has opened on KEA website. So in this video, we are going to talk about what is the process of option entry and little bit information about how to fill the choices from the point of view how to select the colleges. Okay. Now, please make sure this is going to be a little long video. Please make sure that you have got a pen and a paper along with you so that you keep on noting down the important points that we talk. So before we actually begin the user ID, password, etc., something which is very critical for you is to make the list, to make the choice priority college and branch. Please make it. How to make it? There is a video that we have shot. It is in the description box. Please find out. It is based upon last year's round 1, round 2, round 3 cutoff. The entire details are given. I am reminding you, do not start option entry before you make this. Do not start it. Okay. Now, assuming you have made it, right? If you have made it, let's start with the option entry. Now, here you go to CET Karnataka gov.in.kea and click on admissions tab. Once you click on admissions tab, you reach to this particular second tab, which is UGCET 2024. Once you click on UGCET 2024, you are going to get this kind of page. On this page, this is the link where you have to focus upon, which is UGCET 2024 first round option entry link. Okay. Once you click on this link, you are going to okay, before we actually go ahead and click on this link, very important thing, like the preparation I said. Now, have you downloaded the verification slip? If you have downloaded the verification slip, please make sure that you have the following details written on a piece of paper. One, option entry CT number, option entry application number, and the secret key code. It is secret key code. Do not tell it to anybody. In case you have not downloaded the verification slip, it is very important for you to download it. How to download it? There is a video given in the link. Please download that. It's important. Two things are important. Once you have the details of the choices, priority, colleges, branches very clearly defined before you even enter into this website. Second, this is statutory. It's important for you to have this from the verification slip. Okay. Now, this has CET number, application number, secret code, which are different to what we had as an application number before. Please remember this, very important. Okay. Once you click on the that link of option entry, you are going to find this screen here, which talks about your CET number. You remember CET number? CET number is from that verification slip. Okay, it's an alphanumeric code. Please put there. Then you put the captcha and you click on submit. Once you click on submit here, you are going to reach to this kind of screen. This is basically creating your account here. Again, you put CET number, you put application number. Now, application number is the one which is in the verification slip. Application number is not the one which you had got before, a very long number. No, this is a short number, a numeric number. You put a secret key code. Of course, it's a secret key code. You please put it there, right? Then you put a new password, the password with which you would like to operate this account. Reconfirm the password, put the mobile number, email ID, mobile number, email ID. Only that mobile number and email ID which you have, and it is going to work till the end of the this allotment happens. Then a secret hint question, like when you open email account, you have an hint question and the answer of that secret question, and you click on login. Simple. Till now, very simple. Once you click on this, you are going to asked to log in again. Like in any of the accounts, you have created an account, now account wants you to log in again. Again, you have to put the CET number. Remember that, verification slip, application number, verification slip, secret key code, yes, verification slip, and the password which you have just created, and you click on login. Once you click on login, you would be getting this kind of screen, which will ask out about your bank account number. Now, don't worry, if you do not have your bank account number, the bank account number of your father or mother, is perfectly fine. Okay, you put your CET number, right? CET number, you remember the CET number, that verification slip, name of the account holder, relationship of candidate, etc., etc. All these details you are going to fill. They are easily available with any app. If you are using a bank app, you will get all these details there. Okay, in case you don't have the bank phone number, please Google it, you will get that. Once you fill this, everything will be filled, you save it, and then there would be a link to print the refund details. Now bank account number is being asked in case you'll have to pay some money here after round 1, round 2, round 3, and in case you would look for a refund, this is the account in which the refund would be processed. Now usually after this, I've seen there are two ways, either you log out, or because there is nothing that you have to continue, or you click on back to home. In case you are logged out of the site, please log in again. Once you log in again, follow the process of the option entry. You would find option entry, 3 boxes here: option entry, allotment, and account settings. Now this option entry, you click here on the option entry, you will get this particular message which says I have understood, enter all options, aware of option entry portal. It's just like a software agreement when you are downloading something, you do zrrr, and I agree. Okay, once you click on I agree, but even before that, you actually, before you click on I agree, there is one thing which you have to notice here. There are 2 tabs: course list and college list. What are these? Now course list and college list are the details of all the colleges which are participating in Karnataka CET, and course list is the list of all the courses that is being offered by these colleges. Please download this, it's very important. It's very important to download this particular college list, for the reason you ought to have code. This college code is very critical when you are filling the option entry. You will see that. I'll show you that. So please download this. Then there is this list of the courses which are being offered. Download this, and if possible, please take a printout. Mark all those colleges which you believe are the ones in which you want to take any courses. It is important for you to know the college code. Okay, this is the courses and the description of the courses. From there, both things important, please download them. Okay, now once you click there, once you have clicked here on I agree, once you click on I agree, you are going to get this screen, which is an actual option entry would start here, where you have option entry, selected options, and view selected options. So if you are going out for engineering, please click on engineering. Okay, B Pharma, D Pharma, your choice, whatever. I have taken example of engineering here. Okay, once you click on engineering, you will find 2 tabs here. Tab number 1 which says course, tab number 2 which says college. It means, would you want to start the option entry based upon branch, or would you like to start option entry based upon college? So if you click upon college, you will get the list of all the colleges that are participating. Now remember, I asked you to download one particular file which are all college codes, because these colleges are arranged in the ascending order of the college code: E001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I don't know why there is 10, so I don't know why there is 10. So these college codes are basically arranged in ascending order for the college codes. Okay, and if you select a college, it will display all the branches in that college. If you select a course, it will display all the colleges which are offering that course. So whatever is comfortable to you, whatever you believe you want to prioritize upon, you can check that. I have done in both ways. I'm going to show you the college one first. Now if you select on college, you get a drop down of college. You basically go ahead and select your college. I have here selected BMSC, and in that college you get all the branches out there. I've selected computer science and engineering and placed it on 7th. Why 7th? Because I've already selected first top 6. How have I selected the top 6? The Excel that I had made, or on a piece of paper, I've already written what are my choice, what are my options, what is going to be my priority, which college, which branch. You have put it 7 here. You can say computer science and business system. You can put 8 here. Artificial intelligence 9. You can put 10. You can just type in. Just type in there. Once you type in, please click on save and submit. Understand, you need to save and submit every 2 minutes. Don't take too much time, too much deliberation, and that is why you ought to have all those things ready beforehand. Download this college list, college course, make the option entry list. In case you do not know how to do that, in case you need some help in how to select the college, where to find the information, I have made a video on that which helps you to find out the college, the branches, etc., cutoff. All details are given in that video. Please go and watch that. Okay. Now here you go and you keep on entering the colleges one by one, one by one, one by one. Keep on saying save and submit. It's not necessary that you basically go ahead and put one college, all branches, or all branches, one college. You can mix and match. That's your choice. That's your choice. But please make sure that you have filled everything properly, saved and submit. Once you save and submit, you will find your options being displayed here and here. Okay. Now here I have finished all the entire choice filling, and I have got, say, 20 choices which I have filled. They are shown here as the options along with college course. This is an alphanumeric code you find out. First 4 letters, which is E006, are the code of the college. Last 2 letters, that is CS, is the code of the branch. All this thing was entered here, it came here. All this was entered here, came here. From here and here, right? So you're going to fill this details as per the list that you have made in the beginning. Make the list in the beginning. I'm reminding you again. Okay. Now, if you basically go ahead and select the subject, when I say course, so say maybe I have selected aerospace engineering. Now, if I select aerospace engineering, I'm going to get all the colleges who have aerospace engineering. Like RV has aerospace engineering, MSRIT has, SJC Institute, BMSE, ASCAC. These colleges have got aerospace engineering as one of the specialization or branch. Please fill in the choices or the priorities here. Click save and submit, they'll be transferred here. So usually it's not necessary. Usually the students go with the college and then they consider the branch. Usually it's not necessary that you also do that. Now once this is all done, once everything is done, you basically are there filled in with the choices. Now you realize, oops, I think I should not have filled it. I want to remove this option, or I want to reorder my priority. Although I have asked you, make that choice right in the beginning only, and that is precisely here. It's little cumbersome to do that here. If you prepare it in the beginning, it's easy. So any which ways, you want to remove something, put a 0 here, update, it will get removed. You want to reorder these choices, please reorder them. You can do that, update, and it will be reordered. Now once everything is done, you are all certain that whatever you have done is perfect, is as per the plan. You basically go ahead and come here and print the option report. Take a print of the option report. Like if you print on detailed or short, anyone. If you print on detailed option report, you would get this kind of list, which talks about, say, option number, college course, course name, course fee, and college name. This would be similar to what you have prepared in the beginning in the Excel, and would be similar maybe if you have written it on a piece of paper, whatever, except that you won't have college course and college fee. So option number, college, course name, and college you had already made before. It should be similar to that unless you have made any changes. It is the detailed form. Please take a printout of it and also save it in your mobile and your computer, wherever, but make sure you take a printout of it. Similarly, you have got the options here, which is short form. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they're all the option number. There are 21 options selected. First, like this code is your college code and your course. Okay, a short form of it. Again, save it, take a printout, keep it with you. You might require it when you are doing after first round of counseling. Now, once you have done this, you have taken the printout, etc., everything, just then chill. Then you have to chill out. You have to wait for the result part of it. Okay. Now what you do is, after you have done this, either you go back to home or you log out. If you log out, it will log you out, of course. If you click go back home, it's going to take you to this place, wherein you'll have, you've seen this screen before, right? A candidate option entry example. Once the seat is allotted, it will be displayed here. If you want to change your password, you want to view your login history, you want to change mobile number, email ID, please change. No problems, right? Once you've done all this, You have to wait for the seats to be allotted to you in round 1. Once the seats are allotted in round 1, we are going to talk about what should be the strategy of round 2. I hope this video was useful for you, and in case it was useful, I would request you to please subscribe, please like, and more importantly, please forward it to those people who you believe would require this video. With this, me Anshuman Sir signing off for this video. Good luck. Happy choice filling, guys.